Here's a genius guy down here. Look at him stuck in his car. What? Why are you driving? Okay, you can clearly see on the screen it's a blizzard. Yeah, I'm gonna go back here and push. Oh yeah, here, I got it, honey. A little harder. A little harder, you can get it. You can get it a little harder. A little harder. Come on, baby, push. Push. Come on, we gotta get up to Taco Bell. Ain't gonna work. What are these people thinking? Where are they going? You can tell it's a blizzard. Here, let me clear some snow off the ground right there. They're there now. Now we'll try it. Hold on, let me get it over on this side. Where are they going? I mean, unless it's an emergency, she doesn't look like she's pregnant. Okay, I'll back up. Now, hold on, let me gun it. I'm gunning it. Oh, 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 oh. Go backwards now. Okay, let me get a little cleared off. Okay, you ready, honey? You ready? Okay, here it goes. We're going to Taco Bell, and we're getting 2 burritos. We should have went to the store yesterday. Well, a little late for that. Clear the snow out of there. Okay, gun it. Okay, a little more snow off of the tire, and we got it. And we're going nowhere. Yeah, you're going nowhere, partner. Old bean burritos are going to have to wait. Why don't you go back into your house, turn on a movie, and relax. People, I'll tell you what. Let's go take my front wheel drive car in the snow. I mean, they're stuck. Yeah, keep going. You'll get it. Come on, you'll get it. I think you can get it. I bet you my face they're not going to leave that spot from there. Come on. Come on. Come on, Blue. Okay, I'm going to root for him. Go on, Blue. Come on now. You can do it. Come on, back. Now forward. And back. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. I guarantee you it was the guy's idea. Oh, we can make it. And the girl was probably like, no, honey, it's really bad out there. It's a blizzard. We don't really have a Jeep or anything. And the guy's like, oh, we can get it. We can do this. Let's go. And they made it as far as the trash can, which I think they pulled out from, looks like they pulled out from about 10 feet down the road. So good job, buddy. You made it to the trash can. I can't do this anymore. I'm done. Oh, are they going to make it? They're going. Go on, keep it going. Oh, man, this is great. Come on. You got it. You can. Got it. Go. They're going to do it. They're doing it. Pass the trash can. Pass the trash can. Out of here. Taco time. That was entertaining. Well, Oklahoma, blizzard 2011. I'm going to go sit by the fire. Thanks.